Hello everyone. First open your Telegram, tap on this icon, tap on new channel, write a name for your channel, for example test. You can add description now or later. Tap on save. Now you can choose your channel be public or private, as default is public. If you choose public, you must write a link, for example, and after that tap on save. Now you can add people to your channel from your contact if you want. After that tap on send. Now your channel is created. If you back to main page, you see you have a channel, for example test. Open it. On the top tap on your channel name, tap on edit. You can change your channel name or set a photo for your channel, for example tap on it. You can use an emoji or any photo from your gallery. For example, I choose this one. You can crop and choose the best section and tap on save. Also, you can change your channel type if you want. You can add discussion to your channel, which means add group. You can sign message. You can limit your reaction or enable or disable reaction to your channel post. You can see statics if you have, and more settings if you want. Also, you can delete your channel. After that, tap on save and back to your channel. In this video, we learn how to create a channel in Telegram. I hope this video was useful for you. Please subscribe to our channel for more videos. Thanks for watching.